What's up, YouTube family? Today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I maintain my 8-year-old's hair regimen at home in between hair salon appointments. Here I'm going back through her hair from the previous night, just coming back through the sections to make sure that we got out all the hair that is unwanted from taking out her braids the previous night. Okay, so here are just a glimpse of some of the supplies that we'll be using throughout the video. So guys, this shampoo bowl is a lifesaver when it comes to wash day in my household. To know more about this shampoo bowl, go to my Amazon store. The link is in the description. It is a game changer. Here we are doing a proper temperature check to prepare for our shampoo session. For shampoo and conditioner, I am using the anti-breakage from Mielle Organics collection. And just for time's sake, I am only showing one clip of me washing her hair, but I did go through and wash her hair thoroughly twice. Once again, I am thoroughly rinsing her hair, just making sure that I get all of the shampoo out of her hair. Sometimes with her hair would build up, I get a lot of shampoo left in her hair, so I'm just trying to go through very carefully to make sure I got all the shampoo out. So here I'm applying the anti-breakage conditioner to her hair. She's going to be laying here for just a few minutes. We're preparing to do a sink steam. So she's going to be laying here and letting the heat from the water steam and lock in the moisture from the conditioner to her hair. So here you'll start to see the steam from the hot water rise, and this just locks in the moisture with the conditioner on her hair. I'd rather sometimes do this than put on a cap and send them on the dryer. With kids, they don't really like this dryer that much, so this is a good home hack if your kid don't like the dryer. And yes, it's giving kids spa vibes. just sitting here relaxing and enjoying their time, their self-care. So here we are just rinsing out the conditioner and just making sure we go through the hair and get all the conditioner out. And we will put in leave-in conditioner in the next slide, but we're preparing to blow dry and get ready for styling. I also did do a cold rinse that is not shown here in this video. Alright y'all, so here we are just fluffing out her clean washed hair, preparing to lay in some leave-in conditioning and some other products that I'm going to be showing along the way to prepare for a blow dry. I will be parting her hair into 4 sections to apply the products thoroughly in her hair and to also blow dry the hair in 4 sections to make it easier for her and myself. This first product here is a leave-in conditioner from Taylor Beauty Products. My children have been using this hair care company's products for over 5 years. I highly recommend this for adults and children on a healthy hair journey. Our second product that I'll be using is It's a 10 Leave-In Miracle Spray that I'll just spray over top of the section of the hair and lock in some moisture along with some keratin spray to prepare for the heat from the hair dryer that I'll be using to blow out her hair. I am now going to go through with this comb here and detangle the hair. And this brush here, I highly recommend it as well. I will have to go back and I will tag where it's from. Here is just a slide of her partially blow dried out. Here we're just preparing the other side of the hair that we previously sectioned off. I'm showing a clip here of me doing the last section of her head of the 4 using the same products, the leave-in conditioner by Taylor Beauty, It's a 10 product, and the keratin spray to protect her hair from the heat from the hair dryer. Here again, we're going to detangle the hair in the section that it is, and I just like to comb from the ends up to the root to make it much easier for the detangling on her. She is tender-headed, so I try to take my time with her, and this comb absolutely helps out a lot. As y'all can see here, we were having a moment. I think I may have threw the comb, but yeah, we were just having a moment. It's always good to have bonding moments with your child when you're doing their hair. You want to make it a good experience for them. So anytime you guys can just lighten up the mood and just enjoy each other, it's always a plus. With the hair dryer, as you can see, I'm using it the same way that I would use if I was detangling. I would start from the ends and work my way up to the roots and just do that a few times until I get it to the desired dryness that I would like. Here I'm just going back through with the hair dryer on this partially side of the head just to make sure that we kind of got dry, there's no damp places in her scalp, and just preparing to style. Again, I would just repeat on the opposite side, just to make sure there's no damp places in her scalp or hair. And as you can see, I kind of have the dryer on high, just to make sure. I don't do this often, but I just wanted to make sure that with it being winter, I didn't want it to just have, wet spots within her scalp. Here you can see she's happy it's almost over. Here we are sectioning off, preparing for our style. Thinking I'm going to go ahead and do a half up, half down with some braids incorporated into this style for her. In the back here, we're going to give her some individual braids, and I'm just sectioning off the hair from parting to make it go a little faster. And here I'm just applying the edge control by Hair Growth Bar, I believe is the brand. And I'm also using, again, Taylor Beauty Products, a hair oil from their natural herb collection. So I'm going to use the oil to help me moisturize throughout the braiding. It's just some knotless, natural knotless braids that I'm going to give her in the back. And then I'm going to cornrow into a ponytail in the top. We normally start off great, and then sometimes we may have a moment because, again, she is tender-headed, and I do try to take my time with her, and I just try to help her out emotionally. Just coaching her through and just giving her a moment if she needs to take a break. But we, for the most part, just try to get through it, and she is really strong, so we do tend to get through it fairly quickly. Listen, I'm not the best braider by far when it comes to these knotless or braids in general, but having girls, they will make you step your game up. Like, I have really stepped up my hair care routine techniques and hairstyles for the little ones. All right, y'all, so here I'm just gonna double time this video to get us through to the next steps of this video process. And yeah, so we can get to the finished product. I am that mom that I try to do everything in one day. I hate splitting up wash days between both my girls. So I will be spending most of my wash days. I do both girls in the same day. So this is usually probably about 4 to 5 hours out of our day on a Saturday or Sunday that I take care of them when we are at home doing our own thing and not at the hair salon. All right, y'all, so we finished the back, and now we're working on the top, where I'm going to do just basically some basic cornrows into a ponytail to just finish off the hairstyle. As you can see the excitement in her face because we are done. So this is what we came up with. This is the finished product. And I normally freestyle both their hairstyles. I normally sometimes don't even think about it before I'm doing it. I just kind of go with the flow once we're in the chair and getting it done. And yeah, this is the finished product. Earlier, I mentioned about taking about 4 to 5 hours out of my day. Depending on the hairstyle that I'm doing on the girls, it normally can lead up to about 6. So I decided to go ahead and add some curls to the ends of her braids. So here I'm just applying the mousse to the hair at the ends mostly and just working my way up through the braid. And I'm going to use these soft pillow rollers that I bought from the local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to roll a couple of braids into a few of these, and she's going to sleep like this overnight. The mousse that I'm using is a foaming wrap lotion from Nairobi, and I do believe I said that right, Nabori. Yes. All right, y'all, so we are done. This is the finished product. She's just going to run around for the rest of the night. I will tie her hair down with her satin scarf, and in the morning we will take the rollers out. So it's morning, and here is the finished product, and she loves her hair. It's always rewarding when the little ones are feeling themselves and they're happy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share.